Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Yeah, we're gonna transform this, okay? Thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. We're gonna see what type of wig we're gonna install today. So let's get inside this bag. As you guys know, your wig is secure. We have two bags, and let's see what type of wig. It's gonna be a surprise for me because I haven't checked. Sometimes I'll check the wigs, but I didn't. Okay, we have a wig band. Wow. Now this is the wig. It is a seems like a 13 by 4 colored highlighted wig. Yes, it's a 13 by 4 pre-everything lace, so you can definitely wear this glueless because it's pre-everything. Let's get inside to see how it looks. Wow, guys, look at that color. Let's go ahead and check the lace out. For a second, they already styled the wig, but we are gonna show you guys how beautiful it is. Yes, you see that color? It is beautiful. Look at that. I love this, and it's so highlighted. Amazing. Now, let's see the feature of the wig. Like I said, it's pre-everything. We have the adjustable band. It's thin, but I love that. And we also have the drawstring, which even though it's a frontal, you can definitely go glueless. Now this is a drawstring. Once you install the wig on your head, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna make sure that you pull this tight to your liking and then pull this down. Whatever is left, you're gonna tuck it underneath the wig, so you should get something like this. Very seamless. Okay, now I'm gonna open this back because we have to put the wig on our head, and it also have the tabs. If you want to wear those, fine. I'm taking those off, but this is a very quick, easy way with the tabs. If you want to run on the road for the day, you can do that. I like to wear the wigs to get comfortable in them, to make sure that they're good. So I like to have them on for at least 2 to 3 days. So that's what we're gonna do with this one. It's highlighted. I know it's gonna do something for me. Before I install the wig though, I'm gonna go ahead and add makeup to match my hairline. So we're gonna add makeup to the lace, and then we're gonna get into it. Well, let's be back. Don't go nowhere. I'm coming back. Forever here. Listen, I need to talk to y'all. Where did you get this color? Because I'm over here like, who is this? First of all, the lace is on. I'm trying to figure out, I don't even want to make a part in this wig. I love the curl. I don't want to wet the hair. It is perfect for me. But we're going to style it. So I'm going to add just some small baby hair right here. But I'm like, should I do a middle part? Because it's on. I love this. I love this. What I'm gonna do for sure is I'm gonna peek out some of it just to give that illusion. Just small baby ears, okay? So we're definitely gonna do that. But you guys can keep on watching. This part is just, once you take out less, it's gonna be very easy. So that's what I'm about to do. Alright guys, let's go in and just kind of style it. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do, because I feel like I want to leave it as is. And trust me, I'm not going to wet this ear all the way because we don't need all of that. Just make sure the clip is secure underneath. Then you're going to pull the wig tight to your liking, and you are going to tuck whatever is left under. So this is how it should look. It is secure. You can also wear this wig glueless. Now, that's all.
come on, man. The kids listen to you.
I made a side part. Yes, I did it. I had to. I have to show you how, because I don't want y'all to think that the lace is not lacing, okay? So I made a side part. Now tell me this color is not beautiful. Beautiful forever. I don't know what you did with this color, but I really like it. And it is something else. I want to see if there's light outside because I really wanted to show you. I mean, we don't need it because the color is super bright, but it's amazing. The hair is full, the water wave texture. What I like is that you don't have to add any product to this wig. You don't. I did just to kind of tone it down a little bit. But listen, you don't, because I know you guys saw when I just installed the wig. This is 3 hours later. I came back and this is how it is. I went on the road just as is and it is still looking good. When I tell you the compliments, they were amazing. So the length is perfect. This is the wig. You guys need this wig. I want to show you that you can make a middle part as well, but just soak up the side part for a minute, okay? I love it. Okay? You can just do whatever you want. You know, you can put it behind your hair because it's a 13x4 lace. So the lace is completely like, you can finesse it to how you want it. For me, when I do a 13x4, I like to leave out. So that's that. But this is how it looks. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I am back because I wanted to show you guys how the hair would look. It just made sense to show you guys how the hair would look if you wet it down with your mousse or you spray water in the hair. Now I did that and I want to show you guys how much more defined the curls are. So you can do this. Like I said, I showed you guys how you can rock a 13x4 colored wig without adding anything to it because the curl texture and everything about the hair was perfect. Now, if you want to go ahead and spray it down, or say you wear it like that and you want to spray it down, then this is for you. I did nothing else more than added mousse and water to the hair and let it self dry. So this is like maybe an hour. I did that and just go about my business and it is self dry. Now you can do this if you want. It's preference. Now I want to show you guys how it looks once you wet it down. The curls are there. It is perfect. It's just giving that softer look, but the hair is perfect. I love the color. It matches me so well. I've gotten so many compliments because sometimes people are not used to you like this, or they see the color. Even my kids, I love your hair. So this is it. This is your sign to go in my bio right now and click the link and get the same hair. Okay, the texture, the color, it is long, it is beautiful. Now let's go around the back and let me show you. Now this is it. It's perfect, right? Yeah. So Beauty Forever, you did this one. It feels so soft and it's just looking so elegant. So go ahead and make sure you check the description. You see the lace. It's given. Perfect. You can also style this however you want. Me, for a curly hair, if I don't want it to get too messy, I would go ahead and I love to leave out, especially with a curly hair, the side there. So I would go, you can pin the hair up. This part is just preference. You can put, look, it's so nice. So you can either do whatever you want. If you want to go to work, different hairstyle, different outfit, then you can pin the hair up as well. Preference. You see that? Now this is how I go about my day, especially when I'm cooking because I have kids and I'll leave it like this, and then once it's time to show out, you're gonna take it down. Perfect. So it's time for you to go in the description, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye. First thing I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to.